Welcome to Wild Tribe Nature Explorers. My name is Belinda. Today we're going to go out into our wonderful world. We're going to explore, we're going to notice, we're going to learn, and we're going to talk about nature. Let's look at our book today, The Lost Words, and see which word we are going to be thinking about today. And the word is Kingfisher. Kingfisher, the colour giver, ink black bill, orange throat and a quick blue back. Rainbow bird that sets the stream alight with burn and glitter. The kingfisher is a small bird with brightly coloured, distinctive blue and orange feathers. As the name suggests, they are expert fishers and they hunt by diving into the water for small fish such as minnows and other invertebrates like dragonfly nymphs, freshwater shrimps and tadpoles. They close their eyes as they dive into the water, so they actually dive in blind. They have a specially adapted beak that is long and pointy and makes the entry into the water really smooth without making a splash. A pair of kingfishers will tunnel into the side of a high bank to make a small chamber where they'll have their eggs. They don't actually add any material to it to make a nest like other birds. And in that chamber, they will lay up to 7 eggs. When hatched, the chick can eat between 12 and 18 fish a day. So that means that the adults have to work really, really hard, catching up to 120 fish every day for their family. The kingfisher chicks are fed in rotation. Once a chick is fed, it moves to the back of the nest to digest what it's eaten, and all the other chicks shuffle forward. The kingfisher is considered a symbol of peace and good fortune and love. And today we're going to make a collage of a kingfisher using found and natural materials. You will need some paper or cardboard that you're going to do your collage on. You're going to need maybe some coloured pens, crayons, glue, scissors, and then you're going to need to ask your parent to draw a rough outline of the bird for you to collage. Or you could search on the computer for a kingfisher outline if you wanted to print one off instead. Okay, then you're going to go and look around outdoors and collect some natural things that you could use to make your kingfisher, trying to match the colours to the bird's feathers. So, there's my bird. Whilst I was out walking, I collected some different colour leaves that I thought were quite bright, like his chest, and some bits of blue rubbish I found. I've got a pine cone that perhaps you could use as a beak, and some other leaves. If you are picking up litter, do remember that after you've used it, you must wash your hands really, really carefully with soap and water. Once you've got your outline, you can then use your materials to start to build your collage. As you can see, I've pulled the leaves to pieces. I've used some of the blue. I haven't actually finished his head yet. So there it is, your kingfisher collage. King of fishermen, just my little nature explorer here. So finally, thinking about our lost word, kingfisher, you may want to have a go again at writing a poem. It might be describing the kingfisher, it might be almost like a fact file. King of fishermen, intricate moves, nesting in the riverbank, gracious in flight, feathers of fire and water, invertebrates they eat, slicing through the river like a knife. And you may finish it off for me. Thank you, children. I hope you've enjoyed listening today. And remember, look after yourself, look after each other, and look after our environment.